Welcome to the Curious Corner. Today, we explore the timeless wisdom of the Stoics and how their principles can help you master yourself. Discover 5 powerful acts that naturally attract women, not through manipulation, but through confidence, purpose, and inner strength. Ready to unlock your true potential? Let's dive in. It's not your looks. It's not your money. It's not the things you say that make her fall deeply for you. It's something much rarer, the quiet power of your presence. True attraction isn't forced, it's energy. The kind of energy a Stoic man gives off naturally, while others chase, explain, and perform. A Stoic man simply is. He moves with purpose, never desperation, and that alone makes her feel something she can't quite explain: safety, curiosity, and respect. Let's break down 5 powerful ways to make women fall deeply in love, not through manipulation, but by mastering yourself. 1. Master emotional control. Epictetus said, "No man is free who is not master of himself." Emotional control is magnetic because it's rare. When she is upset, you stay calm. When she pulls away, you remain steady. When she tests your patience, you respond with quiet confidence. Most men react, mirroring chaos, but you ground it. Staying centered builds a deep trust. She thinks, "This man is safe, stable. I can relax around him." That trust turns into emotional attraction and dependence. 2. Speak less, mean more. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be." B1. You don't win a woman's heart by convincing her with words. You win it by embodying calm confidence. Speak only when it matters. Let your presence carry the message. Your silence doesn't create distance, it creates depth. She'll remember how she felt in your silence long after your words fade. 3. Set boundaries without anger. Many men fear boundaries push women away. The truth? Boundaries build respect, and respect fuels attraction. Seneca taught, "A man who suffers before it is necessary suffers more than is necessary." Don't suffer trying to please her. Set limits, calmly and firmly. This shows maturity, not weakness. She sees that you don't fear losing her, you fear losing yourself. That changes everything. Boundaries say, "My peace matters." And when she senses your peace, she wants to be part of it. 4. Pursue purpose, not validation. Marcus Aurelius also said, "A man's worth is no greater than the worth of his ambitions." A Stoic man's purpose is his gravity. If you chase women instead of meaning, you lose your magnetism. A man focused on growth radiates calm, drive, and strength. Women want to be around that kind of man, not because he needs them, but because his energy lifts them up. When your life is about growth, she chases your time and attention because she senses greatness. Remember, you attract by putting your purpose first, not her. 5. Love from strength, not fear. Many men love just to be loved back. But a Stoic man loves from abundance, not attachment. He gives without losing himself. Epictetus said, "When you kiss your child, remind yourself you're kissing a mortal." Cherish what you have, but don't cling. When she feels your steady care without neediness, she feels desire and admiration. Your love isn't to fill a void, it's to share your peace. That kind of love stays unforgettable. So it's not grand gestures or constant attention that make her fall for you. It's your control, your calm words, your purpose, your boundaries, and your steady love. When you master yourself, she feels it in every moment. You become her calm in the storm, the certainty she relies on, the man who doesn't need her but chooses her. And that's when she truly falls. Not for what you say, but for who you are. Stay grounded, stay strong, stay stoic. Thanks for joining us at the Curious Corner. Remember, real attraction comes from mastering yourself, your emotions, your boundaries, your purpose. When you stay grounded and authentic, she'll feel the difference. Stay powerful, stay stoic, and see the beauty of true confidence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Until next time.